time to solve them. I'm not here to hold your hand, and it seems like you're stuck in the middle. So I gotta make a decision, and it's all a part of the bad bitch plan. And I just want the top down on the weekend, drive around with no reason. My eyes roll back to the ceiling.
Dad.
Yeah,